I give you my heart.
Hello and welcome back to Jessica Doing Things Differently, and today we have an Ipsy haul, and it's September's. I know I'm late, it's okay, but here's the bag that it came in, and it has that cute little design on the front, almost like I don't know, like a constellation, and then we have the little gem on the front for the zipper, and it has like the gold detailing of the zipper. The gold color, because it's definitely not gold, let's be honest. So I'm going to start this one off a little bit different, opposed to the last one that I did. I kind of just read each thing as I went. This time I'm just going to kind of give you guys an idea of what is in the bag, and then we'll go from there. So we have the foundation, a bronzer, moisturizer, liquid lipstick, and an eyeshadow. So let's jump right in. So we'll go ahead and start with the lipstick. So the lipstick is almost like a mauve color. I really like this color. It's Oh My Rai Rai. Oh yeah, that's what I'm going with. So there it is, and it is by Ofra. So let's try it on. I want to say that this one dries matte, if I'm correct, but I have lip gloss on already. It has like a good taste to it. I don't know why I'm making that look, but it's like a good, I don't know. All right, so it has like a nice mauve color to it. I like it a lot, actually. So it says the limited edition collab between Beauty Guru, Ofra, I don't know how to say the name, and beauty, lifestyle blogger, and mom, Madison Miller features high pigmented shadows, glosses, brushes, blushes, and more. This airy liquid lip formula evenly coats your lips like a gorgeous beige mauve color that won't feather or fade. Tip, start with a moisturizing balm, then swipe across lips, which is actually what I did, so that's good that I did that. I thought it would kind of like affect it a little bit. So the next one is Hydrating Dynamic Ultimate Moisture. Massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Follow with sunscreen during the day. So it's a moisturizer for, I suppose, anywhere on your body, which is good. Oh, this is the cutest little thing. Look how cute this is. But there you have it. It says that it is for, like I said, all over. You know, I do think that this will work good, but it's almost like a watery consistency, opposed to like a greasy consistency. And I will say that I do like the greasy feeling better. I know a lot of people don't, but I want to feel like I put lotion on. I don't want to put something on and then like still feel like I didn't really put anything on, if that makes sense. So I do like the more greasy feeling lotions and stuff like that. But let's read this one. This one says, this rich yet lightweight skin saver is infused with shea butter, sunflower seed, and coconut fruit extract and avocado oil to instantly moisture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and improve your skin's texture. This advanced moisturizer technology keeps your skin glowing and smooth for a full 24 hours. Massage evenly over freshly cleansed face, neck, and chest AM and PM. So that's nice. That's real nice. I like moisturizers. On Ipsy, it gives you like the option to go in and kind of select what you would like to receive from them, your skin type, your hair type, your complexion, what type of skin you have, whether it's oily or dry or aged or etc., etc. It gives you the option to choose from. Do you want nail polishes? Do you want lipsticks? Do you want mascaras? Do you like bronzers? Do you want eyeshadows? And if so, what shades do you want? And that's the same thing with lipsticks and stuff as well. So when I checked off that I wanted this type of stuff, I honestly didn't think that I was going to get it. So I'm pretty excited that I did. All right, let's see what's next, guys. Let's see. The next one is a foundation. I just love how cute these little samples are. So this, it says that it's shade 2.16 or 2.16, and it is called Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. It says this is oil-free, matte finish, medium to full coverage foundation. Is formulated with vitamin E to even out your skin without settling into pores or fine lines. The best part, it lasts a full 24 hours, no touch-ups required. Tip, place a dot on your forehead, your chin, your nose, and on each cheek. Blend well using a brush, sponge, or your fingertips. So, let's see if this is my color match, shall we? Ooh, that came out a lot. I guess we'll know. That's like the perfect match. Wow. You can't even tell that I have it on. That is amazing. Huh. And it says that it dries matte. I don't know that I would say that I had a foundation that did or didn't dry matte, because I've never really paid attention. And I wonder what it looks like when it dries matte. I mean, does that mean it's not going to be shiny or oily or whatever? Can't they just say oil-free? Always trying to be fancy. What's next? This one, I believe, is the eyeshadow? Nope, bronzer. I always have the worst time getting these little boxes open. Oh, that opened pretty easily, of course. So here is the box of what it looks like. It's pretty fancy dancy. It's nice packaging. I actually like that a lot. And then there is the back. And here is the packaging with the actual bronzer inside. I'm going to cover up the mirror so it doesn't like blind you guys, but there is the bronzer. So let's put the bronzer right on top of my foundation. And there it is. So let me see. Wow, this is actually very pigmented. You see that? Probably shouldn't be doing this. You can't tell on the camera as much as I can tell in like real life, but this is really dark, you guys. Like I'm really surprised how dark this is. So for some people that'll be great. For some people it might be too dark. Again, I did pick my own out, my own like my own shades out and whatnot. So wow, it does. You can't see it on the camera. I look crazy. There is. It's good. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. That's a good thing, because in a lot of times with bronzers, they're not. They're like that like glittery look to them, and I don't like that. So I'm glad that it actually doesn't have that on there, or with that, I should say. So here is the next one. I'm going to assume that this is the eyeshadow. Oh, you know what? I didn't read it. Let's read it. So this one says, formulated by makeup artist Francelle Daly, who was inspired by the mysticism of New Orleans, Lovecraft beauty turns getting ready into pure magic. This silky matte finish bronzer goes on smooth and streak free to give you a totally natural glow, golden glow. For a Kissed Glow, swirl a fluffy brush into the bronzer and sweep where the sun naturally hits your face, like your temples, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cheekbones. So, yeah. I didn't really put it in the right spot, did I? Anyways, here is the eyeshadow. And I want to say that this is also like a mauve color. Here is the actual container that the eyeshadow is in. And I'm always afraid I'm going to break a nail when I open these, because they're so hard. Oh God, I can't get this open. Whew. All right, so there is the color. It does have like a glittery type look to it, but it's very pretty. It's very like unicorny. So there is part of it, and then there is the color, which you can't really see too well, but you get the gist by me showing you the actual, palette itself. It definitely goes on like very like glitzy, very unicorny is the only word I can think of, so hopefully you guys know what I mean by that. It has that like metallic shimmery shine to it. So let's go ahead and read this one. Want no fuss makeup to use every day? This brand has you covered with versatile on-trend products like the silky smooth plum eyeshadow. Velvet is a luminous shade that goes on sheer but can be layered for drama. Plus, the pigment stays put for hours. Tip: for a plum smoky eye, use your fingertips or a brush. Who uses their fingertips to put on eyeshadow? If you do, leave a comment down below, because how? How do you do it evenly? How? I mean, in a pinch, sure. But like, how would you, I don't know, how would you do that? Maybe I'm being judgmental. And if so, I'm sorry. But I could definitely not put on eyeshadow with my finger. There's no way. I couldn't do it. Anyways, fingertips or brush to blend velvet all over your lids into your eye crease. Then use a damp angled eyeliner brush to smudge along your lash lines. So there we have it, guys. We have 3, 4, 5 products like usual. It is my $11 after tax Ipsy bag. 5 items from Ipsy for the lowest amount, I think, bag that there is. And I love it. The samples are small enough to where I'm not wasting something. They're also big enough to where I feel like I do get some use out of them and can decide if I like them or don't like them. And then I go ahead and go on Ipsy and I leave my reviews. So it just gives me the option to go ahead and go read the reviews, see what other people are thinking, and see if I should actually go buy it. So there you have it. It is my September Ipsy bag. I am sorry that I am late, but better late than never. Right? Right. All right, guys, thanks for hanging in there with me. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications for every time I upload another video. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, until next time, bye.